contestant I need down to the floor. Can I have Xander Bullock down to the floor, please? Where you at, Xander? There he is. Now, Xander, we had this idea to draw your opponent like blind out of a hat or something, right? But what we thought might be fun is have family be your contestant, right? So can I get Dakota Bullock to come down? There he is. All right, here's how the game works. I'm going to ask you a trivia question about our Tiger mascot. Dakota, I'm going to ask you first. First question is, Dakota, what is our mascot's name?
Tony.
Tony. That is incorrect. Good guess. Tony the Tiger, I get it. Good guess. That is not correct. Dakota, your question. This is arguably a little tougher. What year did Smith Cotton High School adopt the Tiger as their mascot?
2000.
2000. Also a terrible guess. You guys know nothing about Tiger trivia. Shame on you both. All right, so could I have our mascot take that helmet off and give him the answers? Avoid a little embarrassment here today. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome home Technical Sergeant Justin Bullock from Kuwait. Guess what? You guys both won.